Hello there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to send automatic emails in Jira, a feature that can significantly streamline your workflow by ensuring that the right people are promptly informed about project updates. By automating email notifications in Jira, you can enhance communication and efficiency within your team. Let's dive into the process. First, navigate to the Jira project where you want to set up automation. Open your Jira dashboard and locate your project. Once there, you'll see 3 dots next to your project's name. Click on these dots and select Project Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Settings page where you can configure various features and options for your project. Within the project settings, find and click on the Automation tab. Jira's automation feature is a powerful tool that allows you to automate repetitive tasks and communications, keeping your team focused on what truly matters. Next, create a new rule by clicking on the Create Rule button. This process will guide you in setting up the rules that govern how and when your automated emails are sent. The first step is to choose a trigger, which determines the event that will cause the email to be sent. You have several options, such as issue created, issue updated, issue transitioned, or even scheduled. If you want the emails to go out at regular intervals, select the option that best fits your project requirements. After setting your trigger, the next step is to add a component. Click on Add an Action, which will define what happens once your trigger condition is met. Here, choose Send Email as the action type. Now, it's time to configure the email. Start by entering the recipients in the To field. You can manually input email addresses or use Jira's user pickers, groups, or custom fields containing email addresses. This flexibility allows you to tailor the automation to a variety of project needs. Next, configure the subject of your email. Ensure the subject line is clear and concise, accurately reflecting the content of the email. Following this, enter the email body, where you provide detailed information about the notification to ensure effective communication. Additionally, you have the option to add a reply to address, CC recipients, and tweak other email settings to customize the automation to your specific needs. Once everything is configured, click Next to review the rule. Finally, it's time to activate the rule. Look for the Turn On Rule option in the top right corner. Before activating, give your rule a descriptive name, especially if you plan to create multiple automated rules in the future. Decide who can edit this rule from the drop-down menu to maintain control over its settings once activated. With all that done, click Turn On Rule, and your email automation is ready to go. That's it. You've successfully set up automatic email notifications in Jira. This automation will help your team stay informed with minimal manual effort, making communications smoother and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your project management.